Hello world, what it do? It's me again, Jody, man. You already know who I is. I'm off for the Spice with it, man. Okay. This is a little something for my ladies out there. You know, I always gotta rep my ladies. I love my ladies, you feel me? That's all we do. Get it? Okay, listen, I'm your fly boy. You ain't gotta ask me why. You could be my fly girl. You could be my ride or die. And if you need to know, I'm the guy to change your life. And believe what you want, my including the height. I win the fresh clean. Hoes look when I pass them. My polo cologne make sure they have an orgasm. Your man say he beat her right, I can outlast him. That nigga say he cash you out, I can outpass him. I'm the man that you need. I'm Jody J.O.E. and I'm a motherfucking freak. If you know just what I mean, though, we can get high in my place and ride to my estate while I'm feeding your grapes, rolling on purple haze, baby. If you my type of lady, yeah, you my type of lady, I might fuck up on the baby, yeah, driving me crazy. Over there, yeah, in the passenger seat, harassing me and telling me to unravel to me. I'm like, damn, Jody, why you asking me? I see the bad hoes, you ain't passing me, cause you know what, exactly who I be. I am Jody J.O.E. from that hustling and tea. What's your name? It's all day, this is freestyle. You niggas know Jody Joe, yeah, I be wild. And yeah, I'm blazing like B-Roy and D-Miles. Well, he's on the other team. What you know now? I'm on some other shit. Bitch, see me in the picture. I am the nigga, I am clear, no fucking glitches. I am the nigga, I'll stick you like a stick up. Niggas want to talk up, so I'll be like, shut up. I'm like, you know it's me, man. Jody, man. Fuck it. Freestyle, fuck up, don't even matter, cause I just gotta constantly get my motherfucking pocket stat up about my cheddar wherever. I'm in the city where it rains, yeah, I love my weather. However, I play with more bunnies than that nigga Hugh Hefner. Nigga, I'll break your face and I'll dare ya. Now you know who I'm talking to, you little bitch ass nigga, who I'm talking to, you little faggot. Bitch ass savage, you look like Beetlejuice mixed with a rabbit, bitch. But I ain't tripping, you can have her. I got another bitch. I'm about to bag her, but I ain't gonna cuff her. I'll just touch her, but she gonna make you burn. Usher. But don't trip like chlamydia, but I ain't gonna talk about the shit. Yeah, you hearing that? Fuck it. Jody, man, what the fuck? I don't care, dog. I say, fuck it, I don't care who's listening. It's Jody, I'ma say what I'm mentioning and what I'm thinking. The bitches start tripping on the April 5th. Yeah, I still fucked her on the weekend, but she was still thinking that I was gonna stay. But the bitch had a tripping, fucking with my friends all day. And I'm like, Jody, where you be? The fuck is that? No beat? I go acapella. Fucking my keys. Oh, that shit rhyme. Fuck it. I'm on some other shit, man. Get my beat back. I don't even want to rap over that beat no more. I'm going to change it up. Come back with a new one. Hustling and Tea. That's how we do it.